Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are in Falcon Park, DHA Park, and one of the DHA's park, and I just found this big bird cage. You can see many birds are inside, and chickens are also there. You can see, and I'll show you around. This is their food, and these are all the birds. You can see many kinds of birds here. Let me show you all of them. You can see this bird. This is a bird's baby right here. This is basically a pigeon's baby. Oh, you can see right there. Many kinds of birds are there. Such a nice weather today. Also, you can see here some budgies. So, actually, let me show you clearly. So, this is the whole park. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.